है, ठीक है? ठीक है?
अच्छा. So,
चलो चलो.
chalo, good. Now,
What's your question? What's your subject?
Muhammad from Mecca, any evidence?
Who's Muhammad?
Muhammad of Islam,
What do you
who
mean
you
by
call
Muhammad of Islam?
who you call a prophet from Mecca, any evidence?
The Prophet and the Messenger. Yes.
Any evidence?
Yeah.
What's the evidence that he is from Mecca?
All right. Chain of narration.
Chain of narration.
Yes.
What's
Which
the
is-
proof
which is
for-
called in Arabic? I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. So I'm not offending you or something, yeah? No, that's fine. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm just to tell you something. Which means in Arabic, as-sanad wal-matn, chain of narration. That's how we know it.
You know what evidence is?
I'm sorry.
You know what evidence is?
Yes.
Chain of evidence, chain of narration.
Chain of narration, not evidence. Yeah.
Chain of narration. What's the evidence for a chain of narration?
I'll answer him now. No problem.
What's the evidence? What's the evidence for a chain of narration?
Historical documents.
Like which
Okay.
I don't know their names. He just said he probably knows.
Chain of narration. What's the evidence?
Evidence of them by giving authenticated men
We can bring it up.
who brought up narrations from their fathers until the day of Prophet Muhammad.
Give me evidence. I'm not looking for your
What do
bedtime
you mean by
story.
evidence? 1 second. What do you mean by evidence?
Okay. If I told you Jesus is God and that's evidence, will you become a Christian?
No.
Just because I've said this?
No.
So just because you say something, it doesn't mean
So-
you've given evidence.
Okay, very good.
So I'm asking for evidence, not for you just to make the claim.
Okay.
What's the evidence that
second.
there was a chain of narration in relation to Muhammad?
So we want evidence. What is evidence?
Okay. Now we need to define the word
No,
evidence.
okay, yeah, of course, of course.
There we go.
Of course. Because I believe chain of narration is evidence. You don't. So tell me, what's your criteria?
What is the evidence that a chain of
What is your
narration even
criteria?
existed?
What is your criteria for evidence?
What's your evidence?
What is the evidence that a
What
chain...
evidence?
Please listen to me, please.
okay.
What is the evidence that there was even a chain of narration?
Trustworthy companions of the Prophet Muhammad. Okay.
Which companions?
Companions of the Prophet Muhammad like Abu Bakr.
Is
Umar,
Abu Bakr
Ali.
part of any history? Written down, any history evidenced?
Oh, so you're looking for historical data?
Yeah, I'm looking for some evidence, not your religious
Like
ideas.
A book that says.
No,
there
no,
was a
give me
guy
any
named Abu
evidence.
Bakr.
Give me any kind of evidence.
What kind of evidence?
Anything which
What
count.
kind? A book? Okay. Are you talking about a book? I'll bring you a book. No problem. You want a book?
Anything that resembles remotely as a qualified resource for Abu Bakr
Yeah.
or any other Umar,
Uthman,
Uthman,
Ali,
Ali, any evidence
caliphs, yeah.
that they even existed.
Yeah, we have books.
Yeah, from where? Which books?
Yeah, hold on.
Which books?
Yeah, we have books in Muslim.
Which books?
Bukhari, Muslim.
Bukhari is a very late source. Are you kidding me?
Really?
Of course. When was Bukhari written?
Hold on. Show me.
When was Bukhari
that
written?
mark- no, hold on,
Excuse me.
hold on. I'll ask you.
When
I
was
answered
Bukhari?
you.
No, no, no.
Did I answer
When
you?
was Bukhari written?
Hold
When
on.
was Bukhari written?
Brother, did I answer you in the first part?
When was Bukhari
Go to
written?
books.
When
Now
was
I ask you
Bukhari
the
written?
question.
No, no.
Now
When
I
was?
ask you the question.
Look, you're giving me a random name.
How can you
When
prove
was
that
Bukhari
Mark,
written?
Luke and Paul are evidence for Jesus
When was
to be there?
Bukhari written?
Show me.
When was
Show
Bukhari
me
written?
evidence that Mark, Paul, and
When was Bukhari written?
show me evidence. for
When
Jesus.
was Bukhari written?
Show me evidence for Jesus.
Would you have answer? When
Show
was
me
Bukhari
evidence that
written?
Jesus is God.
When was Bukhari
Show me
written?
evidence. I answered you in the first part. Now you answer me in the first part.
When was
Where
Bukhari
can we
written?
find Jesus is a prophet or a god. in
When
your
was
faith?
Bukhari written?
Sure. You're not going to answer.
When was Bukhari
No,
written?
no. Are you, did I answer you in the first part?
You just are you are
Did I
giving.
tell you that there's a book called
One second,
Bukhari? Look.
one second.
Sahih al-Bukhari.
One second, please.
Do you take
Look,
that
one.
as evidence?
To consider Bukhari as evidence for what happened a couple of centuries
Yes.
before him
Yes.
is ridiculous. And that is why I'd like to find out from you if you are aware as to when Bukhari was written.
Okay. So there's a criteria that you need, yes? To prove that there's a
Look,
guy.
you're not teaching me hadith. You're not.
No,
I'm
not
asking
hadith.
for evidence.
Hold on.
I'm not.
When you-
I'm
when
not
you-
in your masjid learning from you
No,
your
okay.
Islamic dawah.
Yeah, no, we're in the park.
I'm
We're in Hyde Park,
challenging.
Speaker's Corner, by the way.
I'm challenging.
Yeah, we're
So
in Hyde
please
Park,
give me
Speaker's Corner.
evidence. Please give me evidence.
What kind of evidence do you need?
So Bukhari is a
Like
late.
gravity. Can you prove gravity? Give me evidence for gravity.
Now you're going on to gravity.
Go ahead.
I can't believe your own Muslim brothers are laughing there. Look,
Do you have evidence?
do you
Whose
appreciate?
brother- whose brother
Do you
laughing?
do you appreciate?
Who brothers are laughing?
Do you appreciate that Bukhari is a very late literature? Do you appreciate that?
Late literature. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So don't give me
late.
late literature as
After
evidence.
200 years of the Prophet Muhammad. had died,
After 200 years, someone is going
just
to
like
come and.
Mark, Paul, and Luke. Yeah, go ahead.
You know how myths are made?
Yeah.
You know how myths are made?
No,
Myths.
answer my question now. Go
Myths
ahead.
are made
Be a
exactly
man,
in
be a
this
man.
way.
Be a sincere
I am
man and
I
answer
am a
that
sincere
question now.
man, and
No,
I'm
you're
here
not,
to
you're
tell you.
not. Now my
tell you.
question is,
So
when
far,
did Paul, Mark,
I'll rep-
and Luke
I'll
get those Bibles?
just to remind you, just to remind
Go
you.
ahead, yeah.
Okay. Just to remind you, and then I'll answer your question. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Just to remind you, I began by asking for evidence for Muhammad being from Mecca.
My criteria is a book. I told you.
Once. I asked for evidence for Muhammad being from Mecca.
Yeah.
And you said
Chain of narration.
I asked you for evidence for chain of narration.
I told you Bukhari.
And you gave Bukhari. And I asked you for evidence for Bukhari.
So,
and,
three questions
and,
I answered.
and asked you, essentially, what you've done is given me a ridiculous late source to claim
Okay.
early
Of course,
myths.
on his side, he'll say it ridiculous.
Early myths. That is what you've done.
Okay, that's on
now,
your criteria.
In
What's
terms,
your criteria?
In terms,
What's your criteria?
okay, I've given you. If you listen, you.
Okay, go ahead.
What I've said is very simply,
Yeah.
late resources are not evidence for early claims. Very simple criterion.
What are the resources then?
Late, well, okay, that's a good question. That's a good question. Good
Give me
question.
an example. Give me an example for Mark.
No. If you want to give, if you want an early evidence for Islam, I'll give
Not
you some.
Islam, no, about
One second.
Jesus.
One second. If you want some early details for Islam, I'll give you some examples.
Jesus.
Examples.
No. Don't talk about Islam. Jesus.
No. You need
Because
to
I want
understand.
your criteria.
Okay.
How can we bring
Based
those
on.
evidences?
Okay.
Yeah.
Based on
Is that
what.
being sincere? If you have your
Do you
own
learn
criteria-
anything in your life?
I'm sorry.
Do you learn anything in your life?
More than you, definitely.
More than me.
Because if I bring
Look,
up evidence for
you're not
me,
even.
hold on.
You're not even
want me to
showing.
answer you?
One second. Don't answer me. Please don't. If you don't even have shame when you can't answer simple
I
questions,
am answering.
Learn-
My answer doesn't fit you.
because it is ridiculous.
For you.
And therefore.
For you.
And therefore.
For you.
Learn, please. Learn to slow down.
Yeah. I am
Slow down a little bit,
Yeah.
and then we might get into some details.
Yeah, okay.
That's how you learn. Okay.
Very good. Now you teach me, okay, my humble teacher.
Yeah.
Teach me what is the criteria for evidence in your perspective.
Sure. I'll give you as a gift. I'll give you a copy of my book.
Your
This-
book.
My book. I've written.
You're a scholar.
I am. Yeah.
Wow.
So,
He's a scholar now.
well, many Christians are scholars because we learn. Most Muslims, including the Muslim apologists here,
So it's a book.
are novices. Are you listening?
That's a book. I tell you, yeah?
Are you listening?
That's your book.
I know. Are you
Of
listening?
course, I am listening.
Yeah.
You said your book, yeah?
Okay.
That's it.
I'm
asking,
speaking
is that
right
your
now.
book?
I'm speaking.
Your book.
Okay, that's right.
Is it your
Look,
book?
at some
Did you
stage
write it?
Yes.
Yeah, that's my question. That's it. Go ahead.
But
What's happening?
what is happening
Yeah.
is someone is ridiculous. He doesn't have a clue.
Like you,
but he.
yeah.
Okay, that's okay. Thank you very much. I don't
You
have.
called me ridiculous. So yeah.
I don't have reasons.
See
to
how
think.
he runs away?
I don't have reasons to think. I don't have reasons to think. You pay attention to learn anything.
You're a bad teacher.
Thank you.
You are a bad teacher.
Sure. Thank you.
Because if I ask you about evidence and you prove to me, I told you first earlier that I have Sahih Bukhari book, and you said, no, my criteria is I'm a scholar and I have my own book. So that book of yours.
That's what you've understood. If that's what you've understood,
Yeah.
God help you. Just a bit misguided. You are passionate, but just being passionate isn't sufficient to get to know the truth. To get to know the truth, we actually, as a matter of fact, need to be dispassionate. Okay. You know, without
That's
passion.
true, that's true. I believe in that.
Yeah. And so let me come back to you. What's your name again?
My name is Fahad.
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 Fahad. My name is Arul.
Oh, it's a pleasure to meet you, Arul.
Yeah, good to see you,
to
Fahad.
see
Where are you from, Fahad? You said
Kuwait.
Kuwait. Fahad, my point.
I was raised here in the UK.
You were born and brought up here.
Yeah, raised.
Brought up here. Okay, that's fine. Lovely to see you today.
Thank you.
But let's have a patient conversation right now.
Hopefully,
Yeah. I'm not trying to push you into a corner at all. I'm
course,
just
of
trying to
course.
make sure we get to the bottom of what evidence is. So in
The
my
meaning
view,
of evidence, yeah? You mean?
not the meaning of evidence, the implication, I want to apply the word evidence properly in my previous question, and that is where I genuinely think
Excuse me, yeah.
when I asked the question of what is the evidence for Muhammad being from Mecca, and you said chain of narration.
Yes.
When I asked for evidence for what evidence for chain of narration, and you said Sahih al-Bukhari, and when I asked you when was it written, and that was important. That was important because late resources can't testify for early claims merely by citing them.
Very good.
Yeah. For example, if you're from Kuwait and if you have never,
understand what you're saying. I understand, yeah.
you asked me something about the Bible, and I can give you a parallel view right now, and then we can go to
Because
there.
before you continue, I just needed to understand the criteria of how to bring evidence and that befits or shows the proof or the truth of that proof.
Sure. I'll give you a
Understand,
simple
yeah.
example. I'll give you a simple
Okay, go
example.
ahead.
Yeah. So I don't know where you're from here in the UK.
Milton Keynes.
Milton Keynes, okay. Okay.
Proud
So-
Milton Keynes.
Now,
go ahead.
now your parents are there. Are they there, or are you with your parents?
Yeah, I'm with my family.
Your
They
family.
we go and come back every year.
So if someone today, for example, here suddenly shows up, Fahad, and say, hey Fahad, I met your parents. Your parents told me that I could come to you and ask for the £1,000 they owe me, and you would give that to me. If someone were to come here and tell you that, what would you do? You need some evidence, yeah?
Yes.
You won't just give £1,000 just because they claim so. So you ask them, what is the evidence of that? Ask
You.
the one. Let's say I'm the
Let's say
one.
you ask me that
Yeah.
you're my
Let's
parents
say
told me to give you money.
I come to you. We are doing a role play.
Yeah.
I'm coming, hey, Fahad, I spoke to your parents just this morning. Your parents owe me £1,000,
Yeah.
and they told me, go ask my son Fahad, he could give me the £1,000. So I'm here, Fahad, give me the £1,000. What would you do?
Show me proof.
Okay, what kind of proof would you look for? What do you need? What do you mean? Are you not happy with the fact that
Very
I'm
good.
saying
very
this?
good, very good, very good. And the case
Okay, role play, role play.
Of course.
Yeah. Are you not happy just because I've said this? What is the proof?
No, I don't believe what you said and I don't trust, so I have to ask my parents if they gave you that money.
Nice. Now we are speaking.
Yes?
So a random guy coming and telling you that I heard something from your parents isn't enough for you. What you would like to do?
It's enough for me.
Once isn't. Is not.
It's not enough for me.
Yeah, it's not enough.
It is enough for me. Why not?
No, once.
Because they're my parents and you
No,
and
you
they-
misheard
and you
me.
owe them.
You misheard me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Me saying that I spoke is not enough for you. You want to ask your parents, yeah?
Very good. I'm gonna ask them. Yes, definitely.
If someone were to tell you, let's say you live 50 years, let's say you live 100 years after Muhammad. Yeah, after Muhammad, 100 years later.
Very good.
Yeah. If someone were to come to you and tell you, hey, I know a few things that Muhammad said and I have memorized that,
Yeah.
how would you take it?
You have to bring me proof.
What kind of proof?
First, I'll see if there are.
I say I'm a chain in the
telling my
narration.
criteria. About that money, yeah? About that £1,000.
I am the chain of narration. What proof do you need? I am telling you, I am a Sahaba.
Okay. No. You don't tell me that you're a Sahaba. I'm living it. My parents died when? A couple of years ago.
No, different example right now.
Oh, different example.
Different example. Maybe you didn't, sorry.
You have to tell me. Because-
Muhammad, you know he died 632 AD, yeah?
Yeah.
He died. We are living in 732 AD, 100 years later. 100 years later. And you are in Kuwait. You are in Kuwait.
Yeah.
I
And
suddenly...
where was the Prophet? There was no Kuwait in that time, so where was
Yeah, there was, but roughly. Let's say, okay, for simplicity's sake, you are somewhere in
I was
today's
in-
India.
In where? India?
Today's India, let's say. Today's India.
Today's India.
Today's India.
So 1,400 years later, you mean?
Earlier. 1,004.
There have to be a criteria. That's what I'm saying. So if you're going to give me an example,
The
you have to give me an example on the same timing.
time is 732 AD.
100 years after.
100 years after Muhammad is supposed to have died, and place, sorry,
Which he died in
And-
623. Yeah?
632.
32, I'm sorry.
32. And place is India, somewhere New
I'm
Delhi.
in India.
You are an Indian.
Okay.
I come to you and say, hey,
I love India, by the way.
Thank you.
Kashmir, especially.
thank you. So I come to you and I say, hey, I have memorized a few things from Muhammad. And I'd
Who's
like
Muhammad? I'll ask you about Muhammad. Who's Muhammad?
Yeah, who is Muhammad? But I say, hey, Muhammad is a prophet. I have this Quran from him, and I have not just got the Quran to you. I also have plenty of his. I'm going to give you my biography of him.
Very good.
Because I have memorized many things that he has said. What would you need as proof?
For me, show me anything that could, on your side, show me a book. That's my criteria.
Just show you a book.
Show me a book that proves, since it's been 100 years since he died, that means there are people in that specific area where he died. Wow. That's so annoying. Show me proof or trustworthy people who actually saw the Prophet, his companions, speak about this point.
Show. Look,
Show me.
Good. Good, Fahad. You asked me for a book and you asked me for trustworthy sources.
Yes.
Good. Here is the book and I give you a book. Look, this is the book. I give you a book. You want trustworthy companions? I am one of them. But that's fine. You're asking for more. No problem.
Yeah.
Hey, please, Daniel, please come. He's one of them too.
Yeah.
And hey, our gentleman there, our friend there, he is one of them too. Please come.
You don't go on the camera.
Oh, that's fine. All of these are trustworthy people. Now become a Muslim.
Trustworthy
Thank
to
you.
who? To you, to me?
Well, I presented some people.
That's the main thing. Are they trustworthy to you or to me?
Okay, well, so you role play. Take it further. What
okay.
would you do?
I'm not going to listen to them, but I don't know them. I'm not going to listen to what they say.
So
I have to
what
go
would
and
you do?
ask.
Yeah.
I have to go and ask if I'm really going to research about this, Harun. I will go and ask them, not them, ask the companions of the Prophet
But
in his area.
But you are from New Delhi. You don't know who
I'll
the companions
travel.
are.
If I'm looking for the truth,
Sure. What would you do?
I will go to Mecca.
To
I'll
Mecca.
go to Medina.
But I am telling you.
If I'm
But I'm telling you.
like a guy whose
I'm
name is
telling
Salman al-Farisi.
One second.
He was from Persia,
One second.
and he was looking and searching for a prophet.
One second.
Okay, go ahead.
I am telling you, I am that guy. I went. I thoroughly researched,
Yeah.
and I returned to this book.
Yeah.
If you want to go, come
What
meet.
is that book?
One second.
The Quran?
No,
what book?
Sahih al-Bukhari, let's say.
Okay.
I have written Sahih al-Bukhari.
So the Sahih
Yeah.
Bukhari is not the Quran.
Not the Quran, Sahih al-Bukhari.
Yeah. Sahih Bukhari is not the Quran. What is the Sahih Bukhari?
Yeah, for Muhammad being from Mecca, the Quran, you can't use the Quran. You can't use the Quran. Do you know that?
Yeah, of course.
You can use the
Of course
Quran?
you can't use the Quran.
Yeah, you
I'll tell you, you can't. Of course you can't.
Yeah. And so, where
Well, you use the Hadith.
yeah, Sahih al-Bukhari.
Bukhari is a Hadith, not
Yeah,
a
yeah.
Quran. Just to let
I know.
people know.
That's my point. I asked about biographies earlier and Sahih al-Bukhari. Sahih al-Bukhari, by the way, wasn't even written 100 years later. Sahih al-Bukhari is
200
claimed, is claimed to have been. What's that?
Roughly 150 years it was compiled.
No, 250 years later, according to the claim. What evidence is there that Sahih al-Bukhari was written 250 years later?
Chain of narration.
We have, the chain of narration, there's a lot of sciences of hadith, which is an entire subject of itself, which I haven't studied. I know there's,
Do you know where the gentleman who wrote Sahih al-Bukhari, do you know where he was born?
he's born in Uzbekistan, Bukhara.
Bukhara.
Any evidence for this?
Yeah, historical evidence.
Like which one?
Look at general historians.
Like which one?
I haven't researched it.
So you don't know this.
That's the main thing.
As a layman, I haven't researched what different
I don't know
historians
what-
say, but
which
generally
criteria-
historically accepted across all
So,
religions.
do you know how many manuscripts exist for Sahih al-Bukhari?
The Sahih al-Bukhari is one compiled manuscripts of many different hadiths that have been compiled, which
Do you know how many manuscripts exist for Sahih al-Bukhari?
they're different volumes, isn't it? I think there's
How many manuscripts?
But that's not the question, Akhi, please. That's not the thing.
Ma-
What is
Fahad,
the thing
Fahad.
is, hold on. What's the thing is, what criteria do you need that befits that and says this is the truth for you? What kind of criteria? You have to give me the criteria.
The criteria is very simply,
Which is?
if I were to claim something,
Yes.
you would need every piece of evidence.
What piece? What are the pieces?
Let me finish.
So I could know
Let me
every-
finish. Let me
what
finish.
every?
You need every piece of evidence
Yeah.
which would authenticate the story that I am telling.
How is it authenticated, Arul? You're not being sincere.
I'm not finishing right now.
I'm sorry.
Is he letting me finish right now?
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm talking.
Remember earlier, when I gave the example of the 1,000 pounds from your parents? Remember earlier when I gave the example of the 1,000 pounds from your parents? You knew where you need to take it. You went all the way to your
Do
parents
you know why?
because you know who your parents are and you trust them.
But if they died, if you come here and claim that you owe my parents owe you £1,000 and my parents are dead, and there's no documents or trustworthy people that says yes, your parents are all £1,000. How can I give you that £1,000? Sure.
So you need contemporary, trustworthy people.
Yes, which is chain of narration.
No, wait. Do you know the first historical record that records a chain of narration?
What do you mean by that? I don't understand. Explain it more.
So, if I told you,
Yeah.
you know, with the example of having received £1,000 from you, if I told you, look, I have a document here which says your parents spoke to me and 10 people have signed this document, would that be enough for you?
Depends on who are those people.
Yeah, you would need to know who the people are. So you would need to place those 10 people to a degree of confidence for you.
Definitely.
With the chain of narration, which of them are you able to historically place with a degree of confidence?
So the different Sahaba.
No.
So it depends on which.
No. The chain of narration could be cut off if the people who have proven or brought the hadith are not trustworthy and they are known.
Fahad, please.
They are known. Between us people, we are known.
Once. I asked a specific question. You need to go. Email, please. Email. Fahad, I asked a very simple question. Which of those... please. I asked you a very simple question, Fahad. Which of those in the chain of narration have you personally placed in history?
Sahih al-Bukhari.
Do you understand the word chain of expression of chain of narration?
Yeah. Of
Which
course. All
of
the names.
those?
Okay, let's say there's a
I'm not
hadith of the
asking-
Prophet. Okay, let me tell you. I'll give you an example.
Here's the thing.
Please listen to me.
I'll give you an example.
Please listen to me. Please. Don't give me names.
What do you need? That's my question in the beginning, Arun. If you don't want chain of narration, you don't want names, trustworthy people, what do you need? What criteria should I bring to you to approve it?
Please listen to me.
Okay,
please.
go ahead.
When I showed you a document
Yeah.
where A, B, C have signed, you couldn't take it
Because it's not authenticated.
because a name and a signature isn't sufficient for you.
Yes, of course. How can
Likewise,
it be sufficient?
don't just give me a set of names and claim that is a chain of narration. My question specifically was,
Yeah.
how many of those could you personally, with confidence, place in history?
So how could I prove them? By our scholars.
Listen to me, Fahad.
He will never show us the criteria
Fahad,
that he wants.
Fahad, listen
He
to
will
me.
never show us.
Fahad, please listen.
I think he's
Please
trying to
listen.
catch you out with his sounds like you personally, and of course, if you haven't studied like 10 different Sahaba and different scholarly
That's fine.
opinions,
At the least,
it's like
at the
catching
least,
fish, you
my
know?
dear friend, no, one second. At the least, he is sensible that he knows what I am asking pertains to he do his research. At the least, he understands so much. Now, if you said you haven't done that research so far, I'm fine. I'm not insisting you should have. Although today, I would recommend, because anyone can claim anything. You need to have confidence of historical facts, yeah, without which everyone else might be inadequate in their research, and you might have the same risk. Do you see what I'm saying? So please, can I please recommend to you that when you go home, please, right now, begin, and Fahad yourself too, please begin your research. And what you need to do is you need to, first of all, lay out all the claims. Yeah, Muhammad, a chain, A, B, C, D, E.
Okay.
Finally, Sahih al-Bukhari picks it up from that. Maybe Sahih Muslim picks it up from somewhere else, and so on. Get all the chains, get all the hadith writers, get all the manuscripts for them, and then reconstruct the picture and try and see how far you can get
Yeah,
where you are personally confident.
that's true.
You're not relying on someone claiming something.
That's true.
That and
You
you'd
have
be
to do our
surprised.
research. That's true. That's right. I think it makes sense.
You'd
That
be
point.
surprised.
But
You'd be
what is
surprised.
the criteria?
The criteria you gave your Fahad.
If you want to search for something, you have to have
My dear
at
friend,
least what
both
kind
of you,
books will I reach.
both of you gave the criteria yourself. Please listen to me, Fahad, please.
okay.
Both of you gave the criteria, both of you in different words.
But same meaning.
Different words, same meaning. Different words, same meaning. For example, our friend here, he said that he has to do his own research and gain confidence. That's the criteria. You need to do your own research
Yeah.
and find out if the people in the chain actually lived and they are not figments of imagination of someone later.
So
You
have
see
to
what I'm
look for
saying?
the conditions, you mean? Yeah.
What's that?
You need to look for conditions for them to be trustworthy.
Not
be-
trustworthy, to be historical first.
historical first.
To be historical first. You need to be able to place them in history with confidence. If you can't place them with,
How?
if you can't, well, how will you place a
Tell me
history?
about Mark. Give me an example about Mark.
Sure, good.
Cool.
Good question. I can give you a quick answer and then you will see what I mean by this.
Yeah.
This is where I've written a book. I'd really like to recommend that book to you. But let's put it this way. For Jesus Christ of
Yeah.
history, I can firmly place Jesus Christ with great confidence in the first century. I can firmly, with great confidence, place the biographies
Yes.
of Jesus Christ in the first century.
How?
Which books are these? I'll give you the details. I'm going one step at a time.
Okay.
Please, you need to show patience. One step at a time.
I am patient.
Yeah.
I'm asking how.
How can I firmly place the books that I have, Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, with confidence in the first century? One second, let me finish this. And then, I'll after this I can have a conversation. Yeah. Quick question. Sure. He keeps. Do you think we're having a sensible conversation?
Sensible enough.
Yeah. The gentleman doesn't like others to engage in conversations. That gentleman over there, he doesn't like other Muslims engaging in conversations because he thinks only some guys can think and speak. Do you think that is the case?
I don't know.
Any Muslim can think and speak. Yeah. Any Muslim.
Oh, I thought you meant is he like disturbing people? I don't know.
He does that. He will, if you listen to him, if you give in to him, he'll take you away. He'll make you not engage in conversation. And that is quite bad. That essentially implies he in his mind he thinks you can't speak. You can't think. Which is not a good idea,